You're working on 6 deals side by side. Your Attio CRM is fully customized. Pipelines, lists, attributes, all set. But what do you know about your last call? Not even a single clue. What time the calls were made, how long the conversations lasted, what the key takeaways were, or if there were any missed calls. Now, you expect to close those deals on a blind sales pitch? But when KrispCall integrates with Attio, things go your way instantly. Your customized CRM syncs contacts, detailed call logs, and call notes automatically. The best part? You can make calls and send texts directly inside Attio. No switching tabs, no extra effort. Let's begin to connect these 2 powerful platforms step by step. Simply log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations, search for Attio, and click on Connect. Then, on the redirected page, click Confirm to authorize KrispCall in your Attio account. Now your integration setup is completed successfully. With CRM integrated, you can customize the settings as per your needs. Start with the general settings to configure your sync options and preferences. Then, head to Workflow settings to manage the sync options in detail to align with your custom CRM. Next, in the connected numbers, add one or all numbers to use them for your calls and SMS. Once done with customization, create your contacts one by one or import in bulk with a CSV file. They all sync directly to your Attio account. With contacts ready, whether it's 6 leads or 16, you're all set to dial calls directly from Attio. But first, install KrispCall's dialer extension on your browser. Then on your Attio profile, navigate to People and find their phone number in Details. Click on the KrispCall icon and select the call option. The dialer starts, and you can talk to your leads while tracking progress right here, with the notes that sync. Sending them SMS is also the same. Right after you click the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, type your SMS, and send it directly. No need to switch between apps. Every call log, their recordings, text, and notes that you've made auto-sync in your People's Activity section. What about missed calls? They don't stay clueless either. The voicemail setup in KrispCall syncs recordings directly into your Attio dashboard, so you can follow up in no time with better clarity. And just like that, KrispCall takes your Attio CRM far from custom. It keeps your calls connected, contextual, and ready to drive results. Smarter sales, faster conversions. Visit KrispCall.com and integrate KrispCall with Attio today.